how to add Siri voice on TikTok. So let's see in this video. Before starting, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. So let's begin. So in order to add Siri voice on TikTok, you need to first create a video. You can also select a video from your gallery. For that, you can tap on the plus at the center of the lower button. And from over here, you can either create a video or you can also select from your gallery. After creating, you can simply tap on right option at the right hand side. And here will be your video. So in order to add Siri voice, you have to type a text on the video which you want to convert to Siri voice. For text, you can tap on the text option in the left bottom corner right next to the sounds. For example, let's type for hi, how are you, and go for done. So for changing this, you have to simply tap on this text and a pop-up will be available where you have to tap on text to speech option. And it will take a few minutes to load. And after doing that, you'll be able to add Siri voice on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If you need any videos on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.